We work very hard to satisfy everyone, and our business thrives on the happiness of others. So when someone writes to tell us we did a great job, we love to show our appreciation by sharing their review. Attention to detail and great satisfaction are among our top priorities. And as you can see, this stellar review is proof that we succeed in providing top-rate services and complete care to each and every individual. Everyone we serve was new at one time, so we are always excited to speak with anyone, whether they are new or returning. Thanks for taking a moment to check us out. Don't hesitate to contact us at the number on your screen. We look forward to doing business with you.